My name is Anya and I'm from Darby in England. I go to the University of York and I study history. I chose this internship because I kind of wanted to do something after my first year of uni. I wanted an experience for the summer where I could keep learning but in a fun way, experience a new culture. So I went onto Google and I kind of searched interested internships to do as a history student, and I found this one that's based in Athens. The internship has been amazing. I wanted something that would kind of expand my knowledge of different cultures, something that would challenge me and push me out of my comfort zone, and I can definitely say it's done all of these things. I've really enjoyed getting to experience a new city as someone living there. I haven't felt like a tourist very often. I've kind of had to get used to the city, get myself around. It's been very, very challenging but very enjoyable. The internship itself, the programs have been amazing. I've been able to learn different skills in a kind of traditional way from a city as old and as culturally important as Athens, which is an experience that I'm so grateful to have had and will definitely keep with me for a very long time. I could not recommend this internship enough. I've really enjoyed it, and it is the coordination from Circa, the company, is exemplary. It's great. I've never once felt like I'm alone or I've not had anyone that I couldn't speak to. They are very on it. You're picked up from the airport with a taxi, you're met at your apartment, you are shown how to get to and from your internship places, and it's just, you feel very safe all the time, and I could not recommend this experience enough. I've had such a good time, and I would definitely recommend it for anyone just wanting something that they can do to kind of improve their life, improve their experiences, and do something new. I would definitely recommend. Yeah. Thank you very much.